guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm excited to be back on the camera. But today we have a watch me sew. So today I will be sewing up some bucket hats for the website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out the website. We just released our Queen Bee collection. Yes, we just released our Queen Bee collection that is now live on the site. So what we're gonna do today is sew up some bucket hats for the site. So have a bunch of fabrics here that I picked out from the fabric store. Just a little something that we're going to be sewing up today. You guys know how to get a Batman one. Y'all know I love Batman. We have some flamingos. We have this pop one that's already live on the site. I really love this print. So we have some more. So we can sew up, so we can stock up that inventory so you guys can go get you one. We have some space theme one. Space Jam just came out. So boom, there you go. We got a space theme hat. We actually have two of those. We have some Cruella fabric. We're gonna turn it into a hat. So what I have, besides all the fabric, is I have my pattern piece. I have the top, my brim, and my, what is this, the base. The base part of the hat to hold everything all together to make it all cute. I have some interfacing here, some fusible interfacing. So what we're about to do is cut some of this fabric out, and we're going to cut the pieces out of our fabric, and we're going to cut all of our pieces out of our interfacing. We're going to go interface everything, and then why am I explaining it to you now if I'm going to do it later? So let's go ahead and cut up some fabric so we get our hats made for our site, and let's get this video going. Okay guys, so we're going to start with our Cruella print. I also have this in a different print, but we're going to save that for later. So what you want to do when you're like making hats and things like that, and especially when you're working with directional prints and things like that, you want to make sure everything is placed in I was gonna say a timely fashion but everything is placed where you know, they actually wear the garment, you can actually see what's going on. So the first piece I like to place is my top piece. We're gonna go ahead and pin that. Make sure we're getting enough of the print within the circle, and we're gonna pin that down. And all our other pieces is cut on the fold. So what you want to do is make sure you have enough room for everything to be cut out. So what we're going to do for this first one, so we're not wasting fabric, is cut from the circle. Cut these two pieces out because the two circles is all we need. And then go ahead and cut out the rest of the pieces. So let me go ahead and cut those pieces out and come back to you guys. Okay guys, so you just see me pull out. Okay guys, so you just see me cut out all of those hats. I went and interfaced my brims, and I found out what the pieces was called, y'all. They call crown pieces. If I can find one that is interfaced, so I went ahead and interfaced the crown pieces as well. So what we're gonna do now is get sewing. We're gonna start with all the tops of the hat, and then go into attaching them, and then breaking all that down. So let's get right back into that. Get these things sewn because we have something to put up on the website. So, oh, I can't even tell what time it is. Oh, it's gonna see. Oh, yes, I can. It's 6:12. So let's go ahead and get sewing so we could see what these hats look like, because I'm ready to try some on. And here we go. Okay guys, there you have it. All of our bucket hats all sewn together. Okay, so I ain't really do too much soaking this time. So I'm gonna give y'all a little cute show, a little fashion show with the hat, a little hat show. So let me go figure something out and get y'all that show. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you go check out styleourswag.com to go get you one of these hats, go get you a freebie bundle, go get you something, a water bottle. We got it all up there, so go check that out. So let me go figure out this fashion show, and I'll see you in the next one.